Correction. Do example 2. When I got to 25 is equal to 525, right? Then the thing is, when I divide 525 by 25, x equals to 525 times divided by 25, you correctly point out that that should be 21. I had made a mistake that it should be 25. It should be 21. If x is equal to 21, then what? Yeah, y should be equal to 9. What's weird is I checked my answer and I thought it worked. Did I do that wrong too? Huh. Let's see here. 21 times, that's $5.25 plus 450 is $9.75. Funny. I must have made a mistake in my checking of the answer as well earlier in class. So anyway, sorry. Thank you for making the correction. I very much appreciate it. Email me, bonus point. What's that? You say you don't need it?